Okay, seventh grade. So what we are going to do is refresh our memory on how to graph points on a coordinate plane. Now, yes, you might notice it says grade 3. That's fine. We are just reviewing. It'll be very simple. So, here is your skill. Now, it says graph the point 5, 4 on the coordinate plane. So, just a reminder, okay? First thing that we always need to understand is that we have our x-axis and our y-axis. So, I'm going to go ahead and kind of go below here. And I want us to remember our x-axis is right here, and that's our horizontal, so left to right axes. And then in a different color, I'm going to have us realize that, cool, that is our y-axis. Great. Now, how am I I can't even talk. How am I going to graph this point on the coordinate plane? Now, it is so simple. These are called ordered pairs, correct? Now, an ordered pair is in the format of x, comma, y. So it's telling you where you need to be on the x-axis and where you need to be on the y-axis. So if I have to graph the point 5, 4, 5 is being represented by x and y is being represented by 4. So how am I going to do this? Well, on iExcel, this is exactly what it's going to look like. You are going to go on the x-axis and go to 5 because 5 is being, 5 is being represented by x, correct? But we also have y. And so y is being represented by 4. So I'm going to go to the x-axis. I'm going to go to 5. And also go up on the y-axis to 4 because the ordered pair is telling me I have to go to 5 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis. And all you do is then plot your point, and that's literally it. So I'm going to submit. We're good to go. Same thing here. We have our y-axis, we have our x-axis, and this time our point is 10, 3. So remember, the first number right here is being represented by x. So I'm going to go ahead and go to 10 on the x-axis, and then on the y-axis, it's telling me here to go to 3. So I'm going to go to 10 on the x-axis, and then 1, 2, 3, 3 on the y-axis, and that's all I have to do to graph ordered pairs. If you need help or have any questions, please call me and let me know, and I am here to help. Remember that you need a score of 80 for the skill, but you definitely can get a score of 100, and once you're done, just make sure to submit at the end, okay, once you finish. Have a blessed day. Be blessed. Bye.